In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your recent searches on Safari. You can simply hide your Safari recent searches in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. To hide your recent searches, you will have to tap right here on the bookmarks icon. Then click on your number of tabs. As you can see on my screen, I have 27 tabs. That's where you click, then you will have to select the option of private. You can browse anything privately in this section. Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, and also your autofill information when you are in the private mode. Make sure after you are done searching for anything, before leaving your Safari, get back to the normal tabs. Tap right here on private and then select your normal bookmarks. That's how easy it is to hide your recent searches on Safari. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.